Why do certain situations in your life lack so much clarity? Why do certain situations feel so stubborn that you do not know a way forward? You speak to people, you take advice, you try to think logically, but nothing seems to fit the puzzle. It is because your mind doesn't hold the full story, but your energy body does. In a human communication session, your body reveals stored experiences, past stress, emotional trauma, emotional pain, and hidden blockages around health, home, career, money, and relationships. Patterns that have quietly influenced your life decisions and direction. But when you understand them, confusion lifts, things become more clear, and wiser decisions follow. A human communication session helps you to understand what your energy body already knows. If you think that you are ready to move ahead in life with more clarity and better confidence in your decisions, please DM to book a session.